Hey everybody, welcome back. Thanks for joining me again. Tonight I'm going to be doing some more blooms with some yellow, or not yellows. Well, I'm seeing yellow, but no. Greens and purples, and then obviously I had to add a blue. There's also interference violet slash blue that I will add with my cell activator is I'm using black and white again. Um, Again, my paints are mixed 2 parts of Sherwin-Williams Ultra Deep Base to 1 part Josanya. And then if they get too thick, I'll either add American Floetrol to it to thin it down a little bit or more Josanya's gloss varnish. As far as my cell activator, that's 3 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part paint. And typically I use Amsterdam as my cell activators in terms of the brands. So titanium white and oxide black for that. Um, Over the weekend, I reached 1,000 subscribers, so very excited about that. Thank you, everyone. On top of that, I don't know. I'm thinking about doing a little giveaway coaster set or something like that. Haven't had enough time to sit down and actually think about it and how I was going to do it and everything like that. So more details of that later. So here we are, going to get down close. You know, I don't know. Again, I know I've told y'all this before, but this is like my favorite part right here, just seeing the cells form. Um, on a different note, I actually used a hair dryer yesterday, an actual hair dryer, not the Yeeho blow dryer thing, but an actual blow dryer on a 10 by 10 bloom. So yeah, got that coming up too. I try to recreate something. Actually, I got 2 of them that I'm trying to recreate. So here we are. If you ever get like a puddle of your cell activator, you want to kind of just blow on it gently till you start seeing the cells form, and you want to back off and just kind of see what happens. Um, and as I told you, I try to pop the air bubbles as I see them if they're big or whatever. Um, but yeah, hope everybody's been doing good, enjoying some of the stuff I've been making. Uh, you know, it's been fun. It's have a lot of stuff coming up. Just don't have enough time to sit here and edit. But hopefully, I'm doing making time here and there to where I can do it. A little cut here, a little cut there. So got a couple of paints already mixed up for some more stuff coming up this week. But anyway, so yeah, I think this is. I'll let you be the judge later, but I think that first one's my favorite. So yeah, I'm gonna do about 3 more of these, and at the end of it, I'll come back. Obviously, we're gonna do a close-up view of them and let you see them. And yeah, so I'll be back in a minute. Put on some music. Alright, so I'm back. I just wanted, in this video, I kind of changed it up just a little bit in terms of like if I sped it up or anything. After I brought you down for a close-up of me blowing out the cell activator, I didn't speed up the first part of it. I wanted you to kind of see like in a real-time version of the cells forming and just how all that comes together. Now after I blew out the cell activator, then I mean it's a waiting game for just a, I don't know, not long, but I mean it is a waiting game, just wanting your cells to form and everything like that. So I did speed up the second part once it's down close, that way you know you get a quick version of it. But yeah, I did that. Just, I know sometimes with my videos I kind of speed it up at least, you know, ×2, just so where, you know, get everything in, you know. So we'll do that. Honestly, these turned out wonderful. It's basically what I was going for. A little side note for me is whenever I'm using the darker green color, it's a ColourArte color, I'll post it in the description. It likes to take over. So that's just a side note for me later, or anybody else that's been using this color. So yeah, like with this cell activator, you want to blow down directly on it and then go outward. And as you see those little specks in the paint, those are the cells. So after they start forming, you kind of want to stop blowing as hard in that area. Or if it's a bigger canvas, well, I'm not that great on bigger canvases just yet, but I'm getting there. So yeah, it's, I don't know, yeah. I also, speaking of bigger canvases, past this weekend I did a 12 by 12, and then yesterday I did a 10 by 10. So I got those coming up. I try to recreate some of these that I like the most and see how well they would transfer to a bigger canvas. So I got that coming up, you know, so that should be interesting. Actually used a blow dryer on one of them. I've used a Yeeho, but not a blow dryer, so that's something new. But yeah, I'll get you down for a closer look here in just a moment after I get this finished spinning out. And like I told you in the beginning of the video, after reaching 1,000 subscribers, I will, when I get some time to sit down and think about it, I will post another video in terms of maybe like a giveaway, like a coaster set or something. So here's the close-up. I think this one is my favorite right there. And here's the next one. So there's that green that I'm talking about that kind of takes over the ColourArte one. But anyway, thanks for joining, everybody. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Take care.